Hello and welcome everybody to English Center. Happy to see all of you smiling faces once again. This is Humayun Kabir. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between its and another its. It means one with apostrophe, another one without apostrophe. Well, this its means it is or it has. And this its, it means without apostrophe here. Here, look at this, there is apostrophe. And here we don't have any apostrophe. Without apostrophe, it means possession, like you have something. For example, it's beautiful. Here, it means it is. How to understand this one? Very easily we can understand, because without this one, we don't have any verb here. We know that without any verb, we cannot make any sentence. So it will be it is. And here, look at this, it's been done. Here we have past participle form of verb. So here, this one is it's, means it has. So if we have past participle form of verb, here we have two. One is been, another one is done. This one is a passive sentence. So this way, this is the past participle form of verb and this is auxiliary verb. Could be. Sometimes we do not have or we will not have this one, but we will have past participle form certainly. So if we have past participle form, then it will be has. And if we do not have any other verb, then it will be is. Now look at this. Its color is vivid. So here its means like possession, like I can say my or your. That way its is the possessive form of it. So its color is vivid. That means its color is very colorful, or we can look at this and we can understand the color. Okay, now we will understand better looking at this example. Here, look at this. The boys here is brown. So here, the boys here, that means the possessive form. But the difference is that if we use possessive with noun, then we use apostrophe. But with it, we do not use apostrophe, because if we use apostrophe, it will give another meaning. This is the opposite of using apostrophe with noun, and especially with this pronoun it. So the boy here is brown. So here, this one is the possessive form. Similarly, its color is vivid. This one is also the possessive form. It's my dog. Here we do not have any verb. So this one will be is. It's my dog. That means it is my dog. And here it's taken. It's breakfast already. Now look at this. It's means here it has, because here we have past participle form of verb. It has taken its breakfast. That means the dog's breakfast. So this one means has, and this one indicates possessiveness. So it's taken its breakfast already. It means it has taken its, means dog's breakfast already. It's its first time to visit a park. Here its means it is, because we do not have any past participle form of verb and we do not have any verb here too. So its means dog, then first time to visit a park. That means it is its first time. It means here it is, and here this one means possessiveness. The dog felt great with its new haircut. Here its means dog. It means possessiveness. Then get up. It's time for school. Its means it is. It is time for school. I'm glad to see you. It's been a long time. Here, look at this. We have past participle form of verb. So it means it has. So I'm glad to see you. It's been a long time. It means it has been a long time. So it's with apostrophe. It means it is or it has. How to understand? It will be it is or it has. Very easily we can understand. For example, if I say it's 10 p.m. Here, it's, without it's, we do not have any verb, so it will be is. But if we have past participle form of verb, then it will be has, like it's been a long time. So it's been here past participle form of verb. And without apostrophe it's, it means possessiveness. For example, my, your, boys, or girls. This way, it means possessiveness. Its is the possessive form of it. Hope you understood. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And last but not the least, love your country and do something for the humanity. Bye bye.